Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to get bank confirmation letter on FNB app. So guys, the first step, log in your account on your username and password on your app or your device, and then after that what you have to do, select your account type, any account you type, and choose the option to account or similar. After that guys, look for letter or confirmation letter, click on confirmation letter, and after that choose the PDF. You should see a PDF format to download the letter, and then write your email address guys to receive your letter. You can receive via email address, and then you can download it. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and share this video for more content. The first step guys is you log in your account and choose the account type, and select the letter, confirmation letter, and download as a PDF. Thanks guys again for watching this video.